Hi guys, this is RTR Kaustav Pal from Rotary Club of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology RID 3291, and today I'll be speaking on the topic mental health. So, right now, mental health is a tremendous issue during these days, especially during these lockdown days. So, first, I'll be describing what mental health actually is on the general part of it. Mental health is nothing but a state of mind where any individual can work productively, think productively, and do something productive for his benefit, for his personal benefit, that is, or for the benefit of the greater good, or for the benefit of the nation. Now, according to WHO, that is WHO, that is the World Health Organization, mental health is one of the primary factors of the growth of a country, because if a country's inhabitants are mentally sound in health, then they will always work for the good of the country. They would think about uh, things that are productive, things that would bring a new change, a new positive change, and they would work for the development of themselves as well as the development of the country. So, right now, regarding the coronavirus issue, mental health is a tremendous thing, because especially students now, speaking of students like us, we are in tremendous mental pressure because we are being given constant assignments and workload from our colleges, and we have to maintain that. And apart from this, we also have a tremendous issue on our head, that is the coronavirus issue, and we are constantly hearing about deaths, about precautions, preventions, and a hell lot of measures. But in spite of such things, we need to do the assignments, and we are being told to submit the assignments within time also, and we are being given deadlines as if we are on a normal routine. But this shouldn't be the picture, because the students, and leaving aside the students, any person, no person right now is in a good mental condition, in good mental health, because we don't know when this lockdown will go off. We don't know when this virus will leave us, will finally take a leave from us, and will again be back in the normal routine that we had before. So a tremendous mental pressure is going on us now. So the educational institutions need to change their old educational system, and they need to provide the students a complete mental peace, or free from mental stress. Right now, they shouldn't put all the loads on the students minds right now. Otherwise, the students who are more sensitive, more prone, being young, they would naturally succumb to the mental pressure, and they might get even ill, and they might fall into depression and all. And regarding the greater thing, that is, apart from the students, everybody is in mental pressure right now, because if we don't speak also of the coronavirus, then also the main thing is, there are so many things: the recession, uh, the demonetization, the unemployment factor. So each and every day, every person of our country is in constant mental pressure, that what to do, where to go, where to find new employment, where to find, where are the sectors where I can find employment, where are the sectors where I can go for a better job, where can I get a better pay scale to keep my family better. So every day people are struggling, and they have a constant mental pressure on them, because the economy of our country is gradually changing, the scenes are gradually changing, and the recession that we are facing day by day is a very bad thing. So there are an instrumentation coming into the forefront. There are certain stages, certain areas from where man-made labor will soon be man labor will soon be taken off and be replaced by instrumentation. So there will be huge losses for us, for mankind, because there will be no vacancies there, because soon robots will take over our mankind in those areas, especially in factories where the things done by workers. For more efficiency, we will naturally recruit machines and robots instead of humans, because we humans have definitely have tendencies to make man-made errors, whereas the robots will not make those. So there is a constant mental pressure on everybody to improve, constantly improve themselves, to constantly try for the good, for better. And so that's apart from the coronavirus issue. And regarding the coronavirus issue, apart from the students also, there is tremendous mental pressure on the breadwinners of the family, from where they are gonna resume their jobs, or from where they are gonna earn for the family. So that's a tremendous pressure. So the main pressure regarding mental health is right now our economy and its recession. Apart from this, mental health also depends on various factors like depression, which can arise of normally youth factors like breakups, and other mental pressure like results, peer pressure that I've already said, like that, because there are lots of pressure as we grow up. So these are the things. And but one thing that is these are all the negative aspects of mental pressure, or but one thing that I would like to say, for maintaining our mental health, we should always go for the positive, think for the positive, about the positive, and we should always believe in ourselves. Our family members, the people that are close to us, who are close to us, should always make us believe in ourselves that we can do it, we are capable of it. And they shouldn't always pressurize us. It's better to just sit down with us, talk with the candidates who are victims of mental pressure, so that they are in good and sound mental health, they can believe in themselves, and they can work for their betterment and the betterment of the country. Thank you.